Alright, so we believe we've discovered the problem. We took the spark plug out. The left hand side came out super easy, and the right hand side not so much, because the head of the spark plug looks like this. So it's chewed up and it's sitting inside the piston somewhere. That's probably what's causing the piston to feel stuck. Alright, so we've exposed the top end of the engine. As you can see, one of the valves is missing. And the valve stem is in here. And the valve's in here. And the head of the piston is a little bit mangled. So I have to get a new piston head and a new valve spring kit. Alright, won't be able to fix it today.